A very good evening once again, all of you. So now, not just about the participants, we've got a very exciting round for the audience as well. Meanwhile, the judges decide who is the winner. So I'll be asking three questions. Obviously, I know the answers. You have to just raise your hands. The person who I pick out and answers correctly will come over the stage to collect the award. And for this, I like to call upon. For okay, yeah, the gift is a surprise. For this, I like to call upon our special guest, Ms. Dana Karsh, Deputy Chief of Israel Embassy in India. Ma'am, can you please come upon the stage to distribute the awards? Audience, ready? Okay.
You are supposed to raise the hand, and first person raising the hand will be given preference.
Which Indian authority approves a new molecule of a drug? Which Indian authority approves a new molecule of a drug? Yes, ma'am? Correct. Kindly come up on the stage and collect your award.
उस पर चले जाते हैं उस पर Can you say a little louder?
Richa Katiyar, I'm from Delhi Faculty of Law. Okay, so congratulations, Richa ma'am. She's from Delhi Faculty Law. Okay, the next question, audience. When were product patents introduced in India for pharmaceutical inventions? I repeat my question once again, please. When were product patents introduced in India for pharmaceutical inventions? Yes, sir?
No. You already did.
The answer is correct. Kindly come up on the stage and collect your award. I want to respond from the back side also. Audience, please. Your name, sir? You're from?
Can you speak
Okay.
a little louder?
Congratulations to Hardeep, sir. He's from Amity, Delhi. Okay, the third and the last question. The first application for compulsory license was granted for the treatment of which disease? I repeat my question. The first application for compulsory license was granted for the treatment of which disease? Yes.
No.
Sorry, the answer is incorrect.
I think I can keep this award.
I want answers from the students.
You are a student?
I want answer from students.
No, not a student.
No, sir. Sorry, sir. I don't know, sir. Students? Okay, any wild guesses? Come on.
Yes.
Please raise your hand. No. Yes, sir.
Yeah, stand up.
Yes, sir.
Which cancer?
Which cancer, sir? Can you be specific?
Liver. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. The answer is correct. Kindly come up on the stage to collect your award.
He's a bad man. I was hoping to get this award.
Your name, sir? And you're from? Okay. Congratulations, Rohit. He's from Faculty Law, Delhi. Thank you, Diana ma'am. Thank you so much.
I think result is ready. Sandeep is working on the result. So Inba sincerely thanks all the students, lawyers, and our dignitaries present, Sri Tulsi ji, Alka ma'am, and PK Malhotra ji, and Dr. Kardam, and Mr. Tabrez Ahmed, as well as Charles. Yeah, yeah. So Charles and Dana as well. We have been conducting, and the main purpose of this debate is to encourage the uh, competitions among the students as well as the awareness. And we are not taking a side. We are conducting it absolutely neutral way, even though Novartis is our sponsor. So, thanks. I would like to invite our jury to the stage. Alka ma'am, sir, please, and Charles as well, can come and say a few words to encourage the students as well as present the awards to the selected candidate. No, 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 खड़ी हो।
I request Tulsi sir to kindly address the audience and kindly motivate us with his kind words.
I want to congratulate all the participants for a very high degree, very high quality debate. And the debate's been so good that I'm not going to venture into an extempore speech. You have had a treat of debate in the best possible form, and there's no way I'm going to dilute the taste in your mouth or in your ears. Thank you.
Now I request PK Malhotra sir to kindly motivate us.
Good evening, friends. It was a wonderful experience participating in this particular debate, and while sitting there, I was just wondering, suppose I have to stand here and speak, will I be able to speak the same way as the participants have spoken here? And congratulations to all of you. I think each one of you performed to the best of his ability, and it was really very difficult for us to decide which one is the best. I think all of them were best, but ultimately only one has to win. Let us see what will be the final result. Congratulations to all of you who participated in the debate. Wish you all success. Thank you.
I request Kardam sir to kindly address the audience.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am very extremely happy to be part of this debate, very wonderful debate. And all the students who participated in the debate were extremely wonderful. And their debate was excellent on each points. And in fact, this is my first time I am participating in jury, and it's really I am very lucky to be part of this. I congratulate all the participants, and I tried to be honest and do my best with the best ability, and let us hope the best person wins. Thank you.
I request Dr. Alka Chawla, ma'am, kindly motivate the students, please. Sure, ma'am, you can use this.
I thought everybody was speaking for the motion. Let me come against the motion also. In today's world, to speak against the motion was very, very difficult because the move is totally towards for the motion. But I would like to congratulate all of you. Just a few things. Sometimes I felt that, not all, but some of you were not that prepared as you should have been. Because, when you come to a podium like this, you don't have to look for words up there. The words should be there right in you, and you should be very, very prepared. I'm not saying that you were not, because everybody has congratulated, and I fall in the same category. It was very, very difficult for me, to choose people as to who should get the best prize. All of you were wonderful, and I think the biggest hand has to be given to the audience who has been listening patiently and who participated extempore in the competition. So, thank you so much, and we all wish you all the best for the next endeavors and to Novartis, that they will increase the prize money next time, looking to the inflation and the incentive for the students. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I request Tabrez sir to kindly motivate the audience.
Anyway.
So every year I go to colleges, I go to generally management school, and the reason I go is not for the student but for myself, because I learn a lot. I learn from younger crowd. When I did my law, definitely my generation was not as intelligent as you are. I don't know it's the internet or what, but that's the fact. The second thing I want to say is I'm having two hats today. I'm also chair of public policy of INBA, and we try very hard to maintain the neutrality. Okay, we don't favor, we don't take a stand. And the third thing I want to say is, let's hope and participate so that we continue this journey. Okay, we want to improve on this, and we want to continue on it. Okay, so I will look forward to greater participation next year or whenever Kaviraj puts it together. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you very much. And now time to announce. After that, he's the last person. We want him to hear till the end. So, to declare the awards, who is the winner? Can you make any guess? Who is the winner?
Okay, for the motion, since we went for the motion first, the winner for the motion, any guesses? But the winner for the motion is my namesake, Sandeep Balotia. Any guesses for against the motion? I must say that all the marking was very close. But the winner of against the motion, Rajat Bhavaniya.
Let me say one thing is those who are not able to get a award. As I see this marks given by the jury, they are very, very close. So it's a really difficult choice for us to decide the first winner.
Now I'm going to request the other finalists to please come up and get their certificates for being finalists. As I said, these 8 people that you saw today, and I must also second the opinion that the quality of debate was very high. And I'm a Delhi wala, and I'd like to say the quality of debate in Delhi was much better than the quality of debate in Mumbai. Go Delhi. And I hope next year it will be better still. So I'm going to now request each one of the other finalists to please come up and take a certificate. As I said, these are people, we've got about, I think, 200 entries, and these were 8 selections made from that, so they themselves are actually, in a sense, winners. Aditya Huda. Bad luck, Aditya, this year? Yeah? You're in 4th year, right? Yes, sir. So you can come once more, right? Okay. Yeah, sure. Next, Sara Haq from Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. Sajal Sharma, Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. Mohammad Khan, Lloyd Law College, Greater Noida. Hardeep Singh, Amity Law, Noida. And last, and as they say, not least, Ujjaini Chatterjee from Symbiosis Law School. Hard luck, Ujjaini. I hope you will not give up trying.
As we try to make this debate very student oriented, and I must congratulate our student representative and the campus ambassador who make this thing to happen. And now we are giving a award to the most well performed.
Okay, sorry audience. The student law section strives towards safeguarding the rights of law students and giving them a platform to showcase their ideas. So every effort put by the campus ambassadors and law representatives from different law schools is acknowledged, and here we like to congratulate. Rather, I would love to say that we like to acknowledge the efforts of campus ambassadors which they've put throughout the year. I like to call them up on stage. First, Sahil Chopra. He's in School of Law, Galotia University. Mr. Charles is kind enough to acknowledge their efforts. Ms. Shashi Chaurasya, Campus Law Center, Faculty of Law, Delhi University. And Mr. Vishnu, North Campus University.
Lastly, not the least, our sponsor, Mr. Charles from Switzerland. He's a senior consul of Novartis. I would like to invite him to say a few words and give him a big cheer so that we have a better budget tomorrow. Can be so little bit more louder? You need more money now.
Thank you. Thank you very much for the warm welcome, and thank you also to everybody who has been part of designing this debate. This is the first time that I've been able to attend in person such a debate, and I've been really impressed. I've thoroughly enjoyed the debate. I have been very impressed with the talent that is very clear in this room. I would also very much like to thank all of the judges for their time and the difficult decisions that they had to come, and also the INBA, of course, for helping set this up. I would also particularly like to thank the audience. Without you, we would be debating ourselves. So thank you very much, particularly all of those people that have had to stand up and listen. So with that, I would like to thank you all very much for attending, and I look forward to a debate next year. Thank you.
Thank you very much, everybody. Now dinner is waiting for.